Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in the series of basic civil engineering knowledge, I will discuss part 4. If you didn't watch the part 3rd, 2nd and 1st, the link is in the description of this video. So let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. So in basic knowledge, especially for civil engineering students, the first one is RCC column legs should be 9D. RCC column legs should be with 9D. Means here you can see this is RCC column, this is the other column, this is leg, this one. So this length we can get with the formula of 9D, where D is die of steel rod, this one. Okay, so this is the first thing which I have discussed. RCC column legs should be 9D. The second one is washroom slab should be not less than 7 feet. You can see guys here, suppose this is a washroom. So the height of the washroom, the slab from the ground floor, okay, to the slab, it should be not less than 7 feet. Okay. Third one, if steel rod doesn't have ring on the surface or improper, so don't use that steel rods. How? You can see guys, this is a steel rod, this one. As you know, on the steel we have rings like this. So if you can't see, or if there isn't the rings on the surface of the steel rod, so don't use, because this is improper and it cannot make a good bond between steel and concrete. The fourth one, water cement ratio. Water cement ratio should be between 45 to 60% of volume. Volume means cement volume. Okay, so the water cement ratio should be between 40 to 60% of volume, right? The fifth one is guys, starter and column thickness should be between 100 to 200 millimeters. Means it should be from 100 to 200 millimeters thickness of the starter. Okay, sorry, not 50 to 100, 50 to 100 mm. Okay, from 2 to 4 inches you can keep starter. You can see in the picture. Seventh, development beam. Okay, development and beam is very important. Development length and beam is very important, especially in plinth beam and also in top beam. What is the development length? Development length means this is a beam, top rods, and this is bottom rod. So the bottom rod should be going to the upward side, and the top bars should be going to the downward side. So this is development length. This is important especially for plinth beam, also for which is denoted by LD. This is development length. Okay, so this is important especially for top beam and also and bottom beam. The eighth one is guys, minimum space should be 12 inch between door and window. You can see here, this is the front elevation, sorry, this is front view. Here this is a door and this is window. So this space, this space should not be less than 12 inches between door and window, right? And the ninth one is guys, cement bag should be above minimum 15 centimeter from the ground level. As you know, we store the cement especially on construction site, so the cement bag should be above, when you want to store it, so it should be above minimum 15 centimeter or 6 inches from ground level. Okay, 10th one is guys, cement bags should not be touch the wall. Cement bags should not be touch the wall when you make it store, okay, especially in cement store. The 11th one is, guys, don't buy cement if expiry date is not written on the bag. It means the cement may be expired, but you don't know, because you will know what is the manufacturing date of the cement from the factory. Then the cement should be used within 90 days or 3 months. If you buy cement and expiry date is not written on the bag, so don't buy those cement, okay, we don't recommend it. The 12th one is, cement should be stored in dry place, not at wet place, okay, it makes moisture. Now the 13th one is, guys, this one, maximum chair spacing is 1 meter. As you can see, this is chair, okay, especially we are using it in slab, also in raft foundation, to maintain the spacing for main bars and distribution bars. So the spacing of chairs should be minimum 1 meter, and the dia should not be less than, dia of chair should not be less than 12 millimeter. Minimum 12 millimeter should be used for chair, okay. Now, guys, the 14th one is, curing should not be less than 10 days. If that is beam, column, slab, but it should not be less than 10 days, because you can't get the full strength if you are doing its curing less than 10 days, okay. And the last one is, guys, about try to choose square column. As you know, we are using different types of columns, square column, rectangular column, circular column, okay. So try to use square column, okay, it can support the maximum load compared to the rectangular column, okay. So try to use square column. So, guys, these are some useful information, especially in the series of basic civil engineering knowledge part 4. If you didn't watch the other parts, so the links are below in this video description, so go and watch that video. Now, guys, you are also able to make a screenshot from this. You can make a screenshot here if you need. Let me make it, okay, so you can make a screenshot from this easily. This is the other one, okay, guys. So this is a short video to discuss, especially for basic knowledge series. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.